So this is my premium BoxyCharm. Ooh. I would do a whole nice video and try everything out on camera, but I'm getting ready for a trip and I really don't have time. Hold on. Gotta hold this down with something. It's not helping me, so just pull it out. Alright, so BoxyCharm, this is the premium box. It costs $35. Oh yeah. Okay, the palette is $46. The flat glow facial is $50. Saturday skin, $30. The ice roller, $18. I actually was looking to buy something like an ice roller, so I'm really excited about that. The lip lacquer is $29. And ooh, coconut coffee scrub is $18.95. This is the coffee scrub. Glowing vacation skin inside this bag. Oh my gosh, I probably could use it too because I'm allergic to shea butter. And I don't think there's no shea butter in it. Oh my god, this is awesome. This looks neat. Let's see if I can open it with one hand. And look at that palette. I cannot wait to open that. So, oh my gosh. Yes. See, I was going to get a face roller, but like a crystal one. And I saw a tip that if you put it in the freezer before you put on a serum and use this to apply it, it is very refreshing. So I'm really excited about this one. Put that to the side. This right here, yes, queen. So we got triple shades because we're all queens. I don't know, I can open this one-handed. Beautiful. Check out these colors. Yes. Yes, I love it. Look at that pink. And it's my middle name. Got the purples. Ooh, a blue. Yes, I love this. I'm definitely going to be keeping this one. It has a nice big mirror. Hey, y'all. Alright, and this one, Fat Glow Facial. This one was $50. So you apply it on your face for 15 minutes. I may do this. I'm going to take a bubble bath. Yep, I believe I can use it. Hold on, there's the ingredients. I don't see any shea butter in it, but I'll double check later. A lip lacquer. I wonder what color it is. It says changes. Let's see what this is. And I'm gonna go ahead and open this Fat Glow so y'all can see the packaging. So that's what it looks like. So where is it? Oh, there it goes. It comes out that way. Okay. Oops. Ooh. Look, guys. I gotta swatch this. Hold on. Y'all, it has like these blue glitter in it. I'm not a big fan of lipsticks, but this lip gloss right here, oh my gosh. Pretty, perfect for fall. And we also have Saturday Skin. It's a toner. pasta. Good skill. Okay, maybe use 3 to 5 times a week. Well, that's everything in my premium BoxyCharm. I fucking love it. Excuse my language. And if you haven't subscribed yet, you definitely got to subscribe. This month, there is 3 different boxes. The original BoxyCharm for $25, the premium BoxyCharm, which is $35, and this month is special, so you get a third box. It's the Luxe box. And this month is going to be Rihanna. So all her Fenty Beauty products. And I'll be sure to share all of them with y'all. Bye.